Hi, Chris here from BE Power Equipment. And on this video, I'm going to show you the procedures for a maintenance package on an I2000L inverter generator. Before you get started, you want to make sure you have all your tools ready to go. You'll include a rag, 8mm wrench, flathead screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, funnel, fresh oil, containers for fluids, and you'll want some wood dunnage, which I'll show you how to use later. Because I'm using motor oil and gasoline, I am going to wear gloves and safety glasses for my protection. Speaking of oil, I have a few samples for the video. This is the color of fresh, clean oil. Nice honey color, contaminant free. This one here is I call abused oil. It is very black, and if you like it this bad, you have premature wear on your engine and may void your warranty. The last one is I call used, but not abused oil. At this stage here, kind of a brown color, you want to start thinking about doing your first oil change pretty soon. Once we get to that point, we need access to our machine. You want to go to your non-recoil side, remove these 3 screws, and then your back panel, and there's 6 screws here you remove as well. Now as you can see, the panels are removed, giving us access to everything we need inside. Now before you do an oil change, you also want to run the machine for about 5 minutes. The reason we want to do this is because it kicks up everything in the crankcase and brings all the metal shavings, debris into suspension, so when you flush the oil, it gets out there and you get clean oil back in. This is where I'm going to use my wood dunnage. And you just put the machine on it right there. I'm going to have my tray ready. And the oil is right here. You'll take it out. And I'll just kind of show you here the color of the oil, because we did run this machine for about 20 hours, which is the rating for its first break-in period. And you can see that we've achieved this color and it's definitely ready for an oil change. Now you can see leverage here, prop it up, and then you simply pour the oil in. And keep on going until it's fully empty. And once you are all done, your last final drips out there, and the machine is empty. You can see this oil here has been used pretty well and needs to be recycled wherever you will recycle oil at your nearest depot in your area. Now you clean up your little mess that you made because there will be some spillage. And next you want to get some fresh oil. This is our BE branded 10W30 motor oil. You can get it anywhere where it sells BE products. You get your funnel and simply refill it. And you kind of want to watch where the oil goes, because you want to fill it until it starts leaking back out of the spout. If you are in a very cold weather climate, you'll want to check your temperature charts to see what's recommended for your environment. Once you have the oil topped off, and for that you'll be able to see the oil in the spout, you can check with your dipstick. And you see there, it's on it. And then you screw it back in, and that part of the maintenance procedure is complete. Next, we'll take care of the air filter, which is located right here, and has a single screw on it that you need your number 2 Phillips for. And you see right here, it's a little foam filter. This one's very clean, but if yours is dirty, you need to soak it in a mild solvent. Once you've done that, you have to re-soak it in oil, squeeze it out so it's pretty dry, and throw it back in. The reason why you use oil to pre-soak it is the oil itself catches a lot of contaminants coming through the filter, and this should never be bone dry. Once that is done, you want to look at your fuel filter that is in your gas cap. This one here, if you look inside, it has caught some debris. And again, you'll want to wash this in some gasoline, make sure it's clean, and then put it back in. As long as you maintain that, the fuel filter inside by the carburetor will stay clean and you won't have to worry about it. The last thing you want to check for your maintenance package is the spark arrestor in back. Make sure the engine is nice and cold because this can get very hot. This is where you need your 8mm wrench to loosen off the bolt back here. And once it's loose, get your flathead screwdriver and you want to pop off the top clip. And then you need to pop off the actual sleeve. It comes out nicely. And you can see here, these two parts are your actual filter. If these do get clogged up, it'll cause your engine to choke out. The way you clean these is again some solvent and a wire brush through this and through this. If you cannot see through your filter, you know it's plugged and definitely needs a cleaning. Once they're clean, you put it back in, reassemble your filter, and you are done. This has been the video for maintenance on an I2000L inverter generator. If you take care of it, you'll have a nice long life ahead of it. Any other questions, please call our hotline or check out our website. Hit like below and subscribe. My name is Chris, and then I'll see you next time.